Hi there! So here's the Noisefitultrabuzz. Now actually this was released last week, but I was out on a short vacation and kind of missed it. Anyway, I found this device very interesting, which is why I still chose to review it. It comes with a huge 1.7-inch display, 100 sports modes, all the popular health monitoring features, and Bluetooth calling, so you can answer and make calls directly from the watch itself. Now currently this is priced at $3,999. But I have a coupon code which will give you a flat 8% discount, bringing the price down to just $3,679. I think that's amazing. I'll share that coupon code towards the end of this video. Now I have two units with us. One is charcoal black, one is olive green. We'll unbox both of them. We'll see how they look, how they perform, so you can decide if you should buy this or not. But first, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more fun content like this. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Colorfitultrabuzz. The one on the left is charcoal black. This is olive green. You can see the image of the watch right on the top. We'll have a look at the box packaging. On the side it says designed in India. Towards the back, right on the top, you can see a huge list of features. Then you have the QR code for the Noisefit app. It's available on the App Store as well as the Play Store. And towards the bottom here, you have some manufacturing details and the MRP of $5,999. All right, let's quickly open up both of them. All right, we'll start with the green one first. Okay, and finally we have the regular paperwork. You have the noise quick start guide for the Ultrabuzz. Then you have a registration warranty card. You see the QR code for that, and you have the much loved noise stickers. Amazing. Then here's the watch itself. We'll have a closer look at it in just a moment. And finally the charging cable with the pogo pins. Great. And finally coming to the charcoal black. Not that it's going to be any different, but still I think it's really fun. The paperwork, we have the quick start user manual, the registration warranty card, and the noise stickers. The charcoal black Ultrabuzz watch, and the same charging cable. We are not opening it up, it's exactly the same. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch, and of course we're going to start with the green one because I like green. Let's get rid of the plastic on the top, and we'll also unbuckle the straps so that we can have a better look at the watch. Oh my, this olive green actually more looks like bottle green, and it gives an illusion of an Apple Watch Series 7. Literally, just looks so identical. Nice soft silicone straps with a buckle design, and I really appreciate that the color of the buckle and the body is exactly the same, which looks really nice and clean. You can see the noise branding right here. Very nice quality straps. On the other side, you can spot there's a single button, and also there's a microphone here, which is going to be useful for phone calls. Right in the center, you can see all the sensors, the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor, and the charging terminals up here. On the other side here, you can spot the speakers, which are also going to be useful for phone calls. Then you get 22mm straps that can be easily removed by pulling the hook here. And the best part is it's so convenient. We usually see that we are struggling with this, but with this one, it's actually so convenient. You can remove it and put it very easily. Really nice. All right, let's quickly have a look at the black one as well. We'll get rid of the plastic, of course, and we'll unbuckle these as well. Okay, wow, the black looks so nice as well. Noise branding, square dial, buckle design, again color coordinated with the frame, very nice matte finish, single button here, the microphone, all the sensors, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, the charging terminals up here. And you can spot the speakerphone here as well. 22mm bands that of course can be replaced by just pulling the hook from here. There you go. Very, very convenient. Also, I like that this is not exactly jet black. It's actually exactly as the name says, charcoal black, more like deep gray, and kind of actually stands out. I thought I would be liking the green more, but this one too looks very, very nice. All right, let's quickly pair it. So then you take an Android or iOS device, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Noisefit app. Once the app is downloaded, you click open, click pair device. Now you take the device, press the button on the side and hold it for a couple of seconds. There'll be a vibration alert with the noise logo and you'll see Noisefit Ultrabuzz show up. Click. Click confirm on the watch. And there you go. Start using. Already done. Then it says connect your phone's Bluetooth with the watch Bluetooth Ultra Calling to use the Bluetooth calling feature. Click ignore. And now what we're going to do is go to the settings, pair device, and you'll find Ultra Calling. Click OK. Only if you connect this will you be able to make and receive phone calls from your watch. So the Noisefit comes with IP68 rating, which means it's also safe to wear it while you're swimming or at the gym during your workout. Then it comes with Bluetooth 5.1, which means it's got better, stable connectivity with low power consumption. Now, let's have a quick look at the display. So we get a 1.75-inch LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 385 pixels. And that's exactly why you see so much crisp details on the display. Really clear and also very vivid color reproduction for an LCD display. Now I briefly used the watch a little after I paired it, just wanted to see how the numbers add up, and let me tell you, it looks really nice. Now one thing I like to mention is that I really like this curved display. It makes browsing through the interface even more easier and fun. Now there are a couple of watch faces that you get along. You can press on the display, hold for a couple of seconds, and if you move here, that's an animated watch face. Press again and hold. And there you go, you have the analog clock. Okay, now this clock will give you a rough idea of the bezels on the watch. Yes, the bottom one is a little more noticeable, but the bezels on both the sides and on the top are fairly slim. Also, the clarity of the display is very impressive. Really liking it. Now I'll just briefly take you through the interface. If you swipe right, you can actually see the activity of your day, steps, calories burnt, all those details here. If you swipe right, you'll actually see your missed call alerts. If you swipe from top, you'll see all your notifications. If you swipe from down, you can see your quick toggles. And the top one is if you want to stay connected to your phone or not. Second one is vibration control. The third one is actually the brightness. You can keep increasing it or decreasing it as per your preference. Then there's battery saving mode and settings. In settings, you can adjust the brightness further. Then there's vibration, wrist awake. You can toggle raise the wrist to wake the display on or off. Auto screen off time can be set. Then there's do not disturb. Then there's menu view. Right now it's set to grid view. You can also set it to list view. Then about calls, device info, QR code for the app, reboot, power off and reset. Now when you press this button, it goes to the home page, and when you press it again, it takes you to the menu. Right on the top is the Noise Health Suite. Once you go in, you have the activity, sleep tracking, heart rate, SpO2, the Breathe app and the Stress app. Fully packed. Check out the color reproduction. Doesn't it look amazing? Then you have the Noise Buzz. This is from where you're going to make calls. We'll come to that in just a moment. Then you have the clock app, workouts, sports records, reminders, music player to control music that's playing on your phone, the weather app, watch faces, stock app, flashlight and settings. Now we'll just quickly go into the Noise Buzz app. Now this is where you can see the contacts, in the dial pad and the call history. Now we'll just do a quick call demo. Now what I'm going to do is take my phone. Yes, I actually have my secondary SIM in my tab, but it'll be even better for you to notice. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go into call history and we're going to just dial a random number. And there you can see it's calling from the watch. And the audio you're hearing right now is actually from the watch speaker. So clear. You can even control the volume from here and you can even disconnect the call from here. Basically, you can make calls directly from your watch. Very convenient. Similarly, you can also actually receive calls on your watch. And here you can see there's a ringtone on the watch itself. You can see the caller's name. You have an option to silent the ringer. You have an option to reply with a preset SMS, reject the call, and even answer the call. Amazing. Right on your watch. Here too, you can mute or you can turn off the speakerphone or you can actually reject the call. Very convenient. So, how was the phone call experience? Well, the speaker on the watch was clear and audible. Though I wish it got a little louder because indoors it was actually good enough. But outdoors I had to actually get the watch closer to here. Again, that would also depend on the environment. During my calls, the opposite person actually didn't even know that I was using a watch. It was very clear and he didn't complain of any echo or disturbance. Now remember, this is a Bluetooth calling watch, so your phone has to be close by. In fact, closer the better call experience. Now don't get confused that since this is a Bluetooth calling watch, I can leave the phone home and carry the watch with me to receive or make calls. That absolutely won't work. So before we move to the health tracking, we thought of checking if the sensors are reliable. So we placed it on the table and started with the heart rate tracking. and it says wear the watch properly on your wrist. Then we also checked for the SpO2 on the table and we got a similar message. So yes, we can say that the health monitoring is reliable on the UltraBuzz. Now I'll wear the watch and test the heart rate sensor. We got about 73 beats per minute. Now let's test SpO2. And there you go, you get 98%. Let's check out the stress app. And there you go, we get reading of 43, which it says is normal. Similarly, there's actually even sleep tracking, which you can wear while you're sleeping to track your sleep. Then we also have the Breathe app, which will help you improve your health. So we did test all the health monitoring features like the heart rate, SpO2, stress monitoring, and even sleep tracking. And they seem to be quite accurate in my limited time of testing. But don't completely depend upon them. Use them just for reference and not for medical purposes. So the watch comes with over 100 workout modes. Let's check them out. We go into the menu and you'll see workouts and you'll see running sports, cycling, indoor, snow sports, ball game, ice sports, combat sports, the sports, other sports. Basically, all sports have been divided into categories, which makes it kind of easy to find. Sadly, there's no swim tracking included, which is really surprising, but it has everything and more than you need. Now, once you click on the workout, it will ask you to tighten the watch strap and then you click go. Now it's going to use the GPS from the phone, which is going to map your outdoor workout more accurately. Even though the watch lacks GPS, this is a really great feature to have. Click OK, and here you can see the time, the heart rate, the calories burnt, the distance, previous kilometers, average pace, steps, and your back home page. When you press this button and you click on this, you can end your workout. By the way, the watch also receives app notifications. You can see the app icon and read the message directly on the display itself. But when you receive an SMS, you can reply to that with a preset SMS. You can even custom set that message if you want to from the Noisefit app. Like here, I'm removing no problem and adding I am recording, call you in some time. Very, very handy. Alright, coming to the battery. Well, the big screen calls for a bigger battery. So the UltraBuzz comes with a 300 mAh battery that should last you for about 5 days with typical use. Now battery life will vary upon your use as well. The more you use it for phone calls, then probably you won't even get 1 or 2 days. Then there are brightness levels, health monitoring features. All these things drastically reduce battery life. But yes, I can say for typical use, you will get 4 to 5 days easily, which I think is great for a watch of this size. Let's quickly have a quick look at the Noisefit companion app. So right on the summary home page, you can actually see the distance, the steps you walked, the calories you've burnt, step count, sleep hours, distance, heart rate, stress count, blood oxygen level. In activity, it'll actually show you all your workouts that have used GPS. Then if you come to watch faces, man, the collection is huge. There you go, my God. And there are so many more. There are chronograph watch faces. Wow, looks so good. The collection is really huge, you really won't have to worry, and the best part is all of these are free. Let's download something. We'll click on this. I really like this polka dots. Let's click on update. And there you see it's transferring the watch face. And there you go, the watch face is installed. Check that out. Looks really, really nice. In fact, there is also an option to choose a custom watch face. You can choose an image from your phone gallery and keep it as a watch face. Then you come into settings, you have app optimization, help and troubleshooting, trophies, warranty registration, all the basic details are here. Right on the top, you can see the device that is connected, Colorfit UltraBuzz. You can see the battery percentage. Click on this and you can add contacts. Idle alerts can be turned on and off. Auto heart rate monitoring. You can share your data with Google Fit, which is something I know a lot of people look forward to. Rapid eye movement, drink water reminder, set device, camera shutter. You can use the phone's shutter to click pictures from the phone's camera. Find device, weather settings, notification alerts. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. My alarms, you can add alarms, you can set the time accordingly. Hand wash reminders, my reminders. So overall, really nice and easy to use interface. Now this is truly a feature-packed watch. Comes with a huge display, tons of watch faces, 100 plus sports modes, Bluetooth calling, SpO2 tracking, heart rate, sleep tracking, the works. The only thing I wish this watch had is probably an AMOLED display. But I guess getting this for just 3,700, that wouldn't be possible. Oh yeah, coming to the coupon code. So go to the Noise website and when you check out, use the coupon code NXSING8 altogether. And that will bring the price down to just 3,679. I surely think that's a really good deal for this watch. By the way, you can even check out some watch bands from Noise. There are metal straps, loop straps, silicone straps. The collection is huge. I'll leave the links of the watch and the bands below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.